Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing payment details and verifying accounts. This saves time later. Open Google Play, then tap your profile to check the active Google account. Once done, open Payment Methods and add a card or Google Pay balance. Make sure billing info matches your bank. You need the recipient's email or Google Play account ready. Without it, you cannot transfer balance. Make sure two-step verification is enabled for security, because transfers involve payment credentials and reduce fraud risk. Now you'll initiate the transfer step by step. Open Google Pay or the Play Store's payment settings and choose Send or Transfer Money, then enter the recipient's email or phone tied to their Google account. Next, type the amount in dollars and select the source: Google Play balance, card, or bank. Pause to check for fees or currency conversion, because those change the final amount. Tap Review, read the summary, and then authorize the payment with your password or biometric to proceed. Finish by confirming the transfer and following up. After authorization, you'll get an on-screen confirmation and email. Make sure the recipient checks their Google Play balance. If the transfer is pending or failed, first make sure the payment method has sufficient funds and the recipient used the exact email or phone linked to Google Play. Also verify your internet connection and try again. If it's still unresolved, note the transaction ID and contact Google Play support. Provide details so they...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.